Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel Masroor Education Insights. Most frequent repeated abbreviations in NTS, PPSC, FPSC and competitive exams. For more informative videos, please subscribe our channel. Let's start the video. Question number 1. What does AIDS stand for in medical terminology? Answer is acquired immune deficiency syndrome. Next is ANC stands for. Answer is African National Congress. Next question is ATM is abbreviation of. The right answer is automated teller machine. Next question is AWACS is an abbreviation of. Answer is Airborne Warning and Control System. Next is in computer terminology, BCC stands for. Answer is blind carbon copy. Next question is in computing, what does BIOS stands for? Answer is basic input output system. Next is in IT, CAI stands for. Answer is computer assisted instructions. Next is in computing, what does CAD stands for? Answer is computer aided design. Next question is CNG is an abbreviation of. Answer is compressed natural gas. Next is CPU stands for. The right answer is central processing unit. Next is CSS is abbreviation of. Answer is Central Superior Services. Next is in CT scan, CT stands for. Answer is computed tomography. Next question is what does DNA stands for in genetics and forensic investigations? Answer is deoxyribonucleic acid. Next is DPI stands for. Answer is dots per inch. Next is what is the full form of DSL in terms of information technology? Answer is digital subscriber line. Next is in computing, DVD stands for. Answer is digital versatile disk. Next question is EBDO stands for. Answer is elective bodies disqualification order. Next is EMF is the abbreviation of. Answer is electromotive force. Next question is the FATA were regulated under the FCR. What does FCR stands for? Answer is Frontier Crimes Regulation. Next is FIR stands for. Answer is First Information Report. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe our channel for more informative videos.